Hello, good afternoon. Now where we go, Celine, today? To baby? Okay. Now we go there to the family of, oh, very nice, Sisi. Wow, at the back, turn back. Wow, very nice. She's little madam. Oh, look. She's a little madam. So now we spend Potor to the family of Madam. Okay, we go there and now we are waiting to call of Madam Sams, the sister of Madam Nor. Okay, so now we are waiting. We are waiting that what's that? Because now it's Thursday, so we need to go there because she want to look my slipper. Sira na. Sir naman, she want to play with, every weekends naman din yan, with Asus and Johnny, Gino, Dodi, and to the whole family of Madam. That one, every weekends. It's not Friday, it's not Thursday, sometimes it's not Thursday, Friday or Saturday. So that's what we are here. So now we are ready and we prepare already everything. I thought, oh, make them double because maybe at the night it's cold. So that's what we are. We are waiting, and now we are here to make a video. We have what's that? The sweet. We can see the sweet. Okay. So before we go, at least we can have our. Oh, ayan. There is another one yesterday. But later I download it one. I don't know what this one is. Happiness box daw, happiness box. So, what inside? What inside? Natit kampanan. Oh, nice. Okay. Ayan. Cake. That one is cake. Oh. That one is strawberry. I don't know, cake or it's sweet. Yeah. And you can order, you can visit there and order. There is another one yesterday, it's sweet mix. Oh, it's mix. Oh. That one. I delete later. I make a video. I return that one. Okay, so you can visit always the Halawani. For all sweets, cakes, and whatever you can choose that. You can visit. I think almost some Baghdad mga people in the here. They can come and visit. Okay. So once again, thank you for watching. Happy Ramadan, happy Potor to all here in Baghdad, to all Iraqi, to all Arabian people in this world. Okay, thank you nationwide and worldwide. Oh, I need to close now because we must be ready. If they are calling, so at least everything will be okay now and we go. Okay, so okay, so once again, thank you nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world, to the different time. Thank you very much for giving us a time. YouTube company, thank you to all of them. to the worker, to the staff that you are helping together, to all mga vlogger and to all viewers. Thank you for subscriber. Thank you for the viewers, the supporters. Thank you for watching. And thank you for giving time for us that we can have our time to play and to watch everything that what we have. So thank you so much talaga. From the beginning, nationwide, from the beginning, some blogger that you are helping to me, until now, thank you so much, and some blogger, and not only that mga blogger, but all people in this earth, that they are watching in the YouTube and some another social media also. Thank you. Me, I'm not legit pa blogger or legit YouTuber. I need more time pa for my hours. And thank you again for giving us chance. Okay? Thank you and bye. More blessings at all. Happy Putor and happy weekends. Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao. To the all angkan of my mother side and father side. Sa Dinagat Island, sa Siargao, sa Surigao del Norte, Surigao City, Davao, basta all Mindanao, all Visayas, and all Luzons that they are belong in their own families already. Sabay pang ganon, and to the all family of my madam, thank you. Thank you for everything, and to Celine, and thank you also for the support and Madam and Sir, the family all of Madam, friends and Sir, the all families. Thank you very much. All friends. So ayan na si Sisi and si bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care and God bless us all.